Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
中
the symbol of middle and centrality. Let's learn.
Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
中
For strokes to define center.
竖横折横竖中
Means middle or center. Use it in words like
中间
middle between or
中心
center core. Now that you know how to write,
中
let's learn some useful words and phrases.
Section 2. Common words and phrases.
Common words and phrases.
中午
Noon,
中学
secondary school.
Section 3. Example sentences.
Example sentences.
我中午12点吃饭
I eat lunch at 12 noon.
书在桌子中间
The book is in the middle of the table.
Section 4. Fun fact.
Did you know? The character
中
is deeply tied to Confucian philosophy, representing the middle way, balancing extremes in life. It's also why China was historically called the Central Kingdom.
Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. What does 中午 mean in English? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.